Nasdaq breakdown. What are you guys saying? What are you guys saying? What are you guys saying? What are you guys saying about Nasdaq? Let's hear what you guys got to say about Nasdaq. Comments are off. I want to see all. I want you guys to see this graph clear. Spoke about Nasdaq beginning of the week, and I said y'all better be prepared. Where's our sellers? Y'all must be making a lot of money. Let's go Nasdaq. Big time frame, 4-hour time frame. How are you looking? How's it looking? Hey, look at my analysis. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's have a slight breakdown. There's our heartless Nasdaq. During the pandemic, it has shown us flames. The Bill Gates lost to Papa. So now one. Our blue account was our low one fun. The Bill Gates like clay on Fanasaka. Don't cry alone. Bill Gates also lost money here. Donald Trump also lost. You're not the only one suffering with blown accounts from Nasdaq. Take it easy. Don't go hard on yourself. Let's see. 2 weeks back, exactly 2 weeks ago, on a Wednesday, Nasdaq dropped drastically with our long candle right here where my cursor is at. That is basically what happened. So after that, we had our dramatic drop. Nasdaq dropped, gave us obviously some, I would say, yeah, it dropped drastically, and then from there, it's been failing to recover. Our double bottom indicating a push to the upside, and it did push to the upside. And then I was waiting for it to go beyond the zone here to give us a confidential change of direction. SP500, with Don Jones, the one confirming the rise. So we're like, no, clearly Nasdaq wants to continue going down. So we say, okay, let's zoom in. Okay, it's fine. Let's go down. If you're gonna go down, remember Nasdaq works out in one way. It's follow the leader. Nasdaq I do it's not in your bedroom this day. Anyway, so downside momentum on Nasdaq became very consistent for the past 2 weeks. Last night, I would say yesterday, people were seeing a very good buy. So what happened is that, not yesterday, day before yesterday, the Nasdaq was giving us a nice push to the upside. I gave everybody our buys. We gave them out. Buy. We came here. There's our low here. Took a buy. There's our low here. Took a buy. Our last buy was here. The market had to either do one thing. When it reversed here, when it pushed here, if it failed to break, or had it failed to break this, my blue line here, if you guys can see it, this one, my blue line, this one, if it failed to break this one, we're obviously going to push to the upside. Yeah, obviously it came there and broke that. Also sabotaging my trend line, gave me a confirmation at downside. As soon as we did that, we know small time frame, we fly with it down. It pushed down, gave us a consolidation zone here. There was actually a proper full day yesterday of it actually staying in the same area. Yesterday didn't do much. 3:30 movement came, it did what it does, pushed down to it pushed obviously first 5 minutes after 3:30, 25 to 4, pushed the downside. If you're a Nasdaq master, you'd know you had to catch a buy. Caught a buy there, caught a buy short, and then refused to go beyond that. Last night I went at a far high. Those that know, we caught that sell. Right now we're currently on a downside momentum. What do? Stop trying to be a fucking Jesus here on this graph. Nasdaq I do Nasdaq. So it failed. It refused to go past this high. Even when it came back, previous high was defeated. It was well respected. Previous high here was well respected. Midnight, around about maybe 3 o'clock, 3:30 in the morning, I saw that sell. We jumped into it. This is 30-minute time frame. I'm gonna go lower and I'm going to 15-minute time frame now. I'm gonna change the time frame. This guy actually change the time frame. I show you guys this. If you're watching my live on Sunday, I said to you, what the current phase of Nasdaq right now, you don't need to be Jesus here. No, this is not your first born. You don't know this thing. You don't need to be Jesus. Just follow the leader here. We're going down here now. We are Pagama now. We just follow here. Stop trying to be an analyst master. You'll die. We just fall. We tell high. Downside momentum on 15 minutes. Very good trend. It showed us a 5-minute time frame. I'm changing to 5 minutes now. Look what 5 minutes does to us. Beautiful. 5 minutes. The lower the time frame, the clearer the movement, especially when it comes to NAS. 5 minutes gives us a high there. Yatomoto, yatta. Down. Yara high. Gives us a first high point. Take your sell right there. If you don't trust yourself, leave it. Wait for the next one. They're not forcing you here. You're not in the office. You won't get fired if you don't take this sell. Yeah, you take your first sell right here. You feel like it's a bit too dangerous, you let it go. Wait for it to give you a second confirmation. It comes back and hits back on that high again. Now you're just, I don't know. Now you just don't want money if you don't take that sell. If you're watching it and you let it pass you, unless if you miss it, then I will just comrade missed it. Here's another one. So it go hits that high 3 times. That time you missed it, I don't understand. Drops drastically as usual. Pulls back up again, gives an opportunity to sell, goes back, fetching previous high zone. Why didn't it push back all the way here? Simply because we're at another consolidation area here in 5 minutes, which allowed it to actually rest around that area there. So what I can do is that I can put my line around this section. Put my line around this section. A better hive here. This is our third entry point now for the day. It dropped now. Okay, it came back, it comes back again, sits on the inner low of the previous high point. You also still don't want this money. I don't know. I just caught this sell now. Messed it up just now. And then it was a comfortable one. Comes on the previous high, the inner low of the previous high. If you don't know what's an inner low, I can say kuru trade am fana sakai. Kera look. Yeah, so pushes back to that arm there. We just caught this sell, drops drastically. And then we're waiting for it to give us another high again. I see it coming back. It can push now, right? This is 5 minute time frame. We're seeing a comfortable push to exactly run about this section. So right now we're going to push to this zone here. From pushing here, we are dropping again. So question is how far down are we going to drop to? But now we're on a downside momentum. Do we know how far down we're going to drop to? Don Jones, SP 500, Apple, they are going down. They're going. You see, so they're going down. We just joined, man. We just joined the momentum. First Bonamara Jason. Ibalaka, Tababu Solomon, Libu Josiah. And now I say, Nasdaq. I say, so yeah, And one thing here, you must be prepared to lose. You must have a chief. What's that thing when you're impulsive? Impulsive. When you when you're prepared to lose. What is the English word? What is it? Impulsive. In but that word you get me. Be like that and fearful. What is it? Man. It doesn't need chance taker. It doesn't need people.
People who become immovable in the process. They become shapeless and forget what they
represent. Doesn't need that. People will become shapeless. Doesn't need people to get shaken easily here. Papa. So we are approaching our previous high here on 5 minutes. Trading view, I'm going to 3 minutes time frame only because I want to see exactly is it really going to push to my zone. I see it comfortably coming around this area here. And then we're gonna drop nicely. Or even lower, run about this section here. Then we should drop. So yeah, our sellers, if you funded account 5,000 of this morning and you got all these sales, this high, this high, this high, this high, and the last one here. I'm sure you'd have made a good 20-30k for yourself. Otherwise, I could say what would you buy. Doesn't need that. Doesn't need people who become shapeless and do not know what they. Let's see what 1 minute is say. 1 minute, let's go 1 minute. Give us what we want to see. There we go. 1 minute is giving us a potential high, pushing comfortably to the upside. Remedy, a very strong zone. Other one. So the only way this graph can entirely change direction and start turning up is if obviously it breaks this. If it comes and climbs over this trend, this horizontal line here, our resistance, supports and breaks, and then I show change the direction. That's what's going on. But why am I so confident about this? Remember that our sales are short term. We're not gonna be selling till December. But I already some for a few. I don't want 1 hour. 1 hour saying to us, okay, 1 hour gave us a nice high there. It drops drastically, comes back up, tries to recuperate. 1 hour, the one I did in 1 hour. 1 hour did this.
You don't have to press that thing to zoom. You can just use the wheel if you didn't know.
I can use the wheel like this. Yes. Oh, and hey, I didn't know these things. Oh, my daughter. Hey, man. Okay, you're putting me on now. Okay. Here's the high. This high here was very crucial because if Nasdaq had to push over this high, clearly it was going to start climbing back to the upside. Reason being is because that high is a very strong low on the pattern. See, it's a low this side, and then it's a high this side. So if it broke there, it would have been quite powerful for it because you would want to see exactly what was going to happen with Nasdaq. I would have seen it actually push to the upside. Mara ipalejo. Ebaledo go Buddha mo. Ebaledo go Buddha. It was forced to go down. Confidential drop. If our drop is still as consistent as it looks right now, we are seeing it come as low as this section here. Half past 3 movement. What are we estimating? I'm seeing half past 3 movement. If we fail, just do this. Blow the account. Half past 3 movement. You see this section here? They showed me how to zoom in, so let me zoom in for you guys now. So half past 3, I want to see Nasdaq come. If half past 3, if value we sell, if half past 3 we are selling, I first want to see, before half past 3, I want to see Nasdaq passing this section here. This is a very strong support area here. If it comes and resists here, half past 3, wanyiwa, wow dim. Maraga break mo, it will do la mood my and then half past 3, obvious. We're pushing down hectically. So at the moment, you need to wait and see what the graph is going to give you before half past 3. Actually, resell Ojo wana rasere confirmation. So very simple. Yeah, it doesn't need people who become shapeless and do not know what they represent. It doesn't need that. It doesn't need that. So yeah, that's basically my insight for you guys. I'm just doing this for free because I'm just also waiting for a few trades. I thought I should share my insight with y'all. But I hope you all are good. Blessings. I hope you wanna sharp that. I wanna get comment like when I wanna vote or no. God bless. I'm out. It's leadership.